Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another video. Today we will have a detailed look on one of the companies whose IPO is going to launch on 21st November 2022. So today we will have a look on the IPO detail of Ambo Agritec Ltd. So the IPO date is from 21st November 2022 to 24th November 2022. The price per share is 30 rupees per share and the lot size is of 4000 shares. So the minimum investment for this IPO is 12,000 rupees. So these are all the other details of the IPO. So let's move on the next sheet, which is the about the company's detail. So the company is incorporated in 1994. The company is a Kolkata based company engaged in manufacturing biscuits and outsourced manufacturing of edible oils, Vanaspati, Bengali specialty products, trading of crude, licensed oil and soybean meal. Company actually sold its product under a brand name Happy Bites for biscuits, Happy Hearts for edible oil, Ambo Golds and Vanaspati 2000 for Vanaspati, and Max Health for Bengali specialty products. Now let's have a look on the another sheet, which is the revenue breakdown of the company. So the company gets 6.6% of its revenue from biscuits as per financial year 2022. From edible oil, company gets 81% of revenue, whereas the basmati oil provides a total of 7.3% of total revenue, and the Bengali specialty products provide 0.5%, trading provide 2.3%, and miscellaneous provide 2%. So this is the overall revenue breakdown of the company as for financial year 2022. Now let's have a look on the another sheet, which is the brand. So the company, as per I have already told you, the company sells its product in different various names like Happy Bites for biscuit, like Happy Heart for edible oil, Ambo Golds and Vanaspati 2000 for Vanaspati, and Max Health for Bengali specialty product company. So this was the detail for the revenue breakdown of the company. Now let's have a look on the another sheet, which is the main business of the company. So the company operates in three segments. The first one is the manufacturing of biscuit. The second one is the outsourced manufacturing of edible oil, Vanaspati and Bengali specialty products, etc. through a third party. And the third one is trading of crude licensed oil, soybean meal, etc. So this is the three different ways the company actually gets its revenue. Now let's have a look on the important IPO dates. So the opening date for the IPO is 21st November 2022. The closing date is on 24th November 2022. The basis of allotment will be done on 29th November 2022. The initiation of refund for those who doesn't get the share will be done on 30 November 2022. The shares will be credited to your demat account on 1st December 2022. And the listing date is on 2nd December 2022. So this was the overall important dates of the company. Now let's have a look why the company is launching its IPO. So the main objective of the issue for the shares are: first one, to meet the working capital requirement, and the second one to meet the issue expenses, and the third one is for the general corporate purpose. So now let's have a look on the some of the important competitors in the market. So these are some of the important competitors. You can just pause the video and watch it thoroughly. So now let's have a look on the quarterly results of the company. So we only have the data of June 2022. So the sales of the company was 16 crores. The operating profit of the company was 61 lakhs. The OPM, which is operating profit margin, is 3.83%. The net profit after paying all the expenses and tax is almost around 50 lakhs. The EPS, which is the earning per share of the company, is 28.6 rupees. So now let's have a look on the profit and loss account of the company. So the sales of the company on March 2020 was 73 crores, whereas in March 2021 it was around 47 crores, and in March 2022 it's almost around 94.7 crores. The operating profit is around 0.47 lakhs as per March 2020, whereas in March 2021 it's almost around 1.35 crores, and in March 2022 it's almost around 2.89 crores. The OPM, which is operating profit margin of the company, is keep on increasing, as on March 2020 it was 0.64%, whereas in March 2022 it's almost around 3.05%. The net profit after paying all the taxes and all the expenses, it's around 0.32 lakhs as on March 2020, whereas it was 1.19 crores as on March 2022. The EPS, which is earning per share of the company, is keep on increasing, as on March 2020 it was 18 rupees, whereas in March 2022 it's almost around 68 rupees. Now let's have a look on the balance sheet of the company. So share capital is of 1.75 crores as per June 2022. In reserves the company has around 2.46 crores. The company has a borrowing of 11.54 crores, which may be includes in a form of short-term loans or creditor. The other liability, which may be includes in a form of long-term loans, is around 10.55 crores. So this is the overall liability side of the company. Now let's have a look on the asset side. So in assets column, in fixed assets, the company has amount of 0.86 lakhs, which may be includes in a form of land and building and even machineries. Even the company has an investment of around 80 lakhs. The other assets, which may be includes in a form of inventory, cash, debtors, is around 24.64 crores. So this is the overall liability and the asset side of the company. Now let's have a look on the another sheet, which is the holding of the company. So before the IPO was launched, the promoters holding was around 94.96%, and after the company got listed on the stock market, the promoters will hold around 60.60%. So this was the overall view about this company. Now my own view about this company. So I personally think that the company's market cap is very less, which is around 30 crores. So if you are considering this stock, you may consider for the short term or maybe just for the listing bonus. But overall, if you are considering this for the long term, maybe you have some problem just because the company is borrowing very high. Even the company's asset is very low as compared to the company's liability. But if you see in the non assets column, there is maybe around 28 crores, which may be in a form of cash or something, or maybe in a form of inventory which doesn't get sold. So this is the overall view about this company. So I am not personally adding this stock on my portfolio, but yes, maybe if I get a nice percentage in a form of a listing gain, then definitely I'm going to add this stock just for the listing purpose and to get profit as fast as possible. So this was the overall my view about this company. So tell me whether you are applying for this IPO or not. And I just want to tell you that this is not a buy or sell recommendation video. This is just for your personal knowledge. Do your own analysis before spending. So thank you so much for spending some time with us. We will back with another topic. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Bye bye.